Do instructions only tell us how to cook? Of course not. Last time, we learned how to write instructions to make food. Today, we're going to learn another type of instructional writing. This type tells us how to do daily activities or how to use something. There are many types of instructions. Today, we will learn two types. Number one, daily routine instructions. Number two, how to use something. Type 1, daily routine instructions. Example 1, how to brush your teeth. Tools and ingredients. Tools, a toothbrush, a cup. Ingredients, toothpaste, water. Steps. First, put toothpaste on your toothbrush. Next, brush your teeth gently. Then, brush for 2 minutes. After that, rinse your mouth with water. Finally, clean your toothbrush and smile. This is an instructional writing because it tells us what to do step by step. Example 2, how to wash your hands. Tools and ingredients. Tools, a sink, a towel. Ingredients, water, soap. Steps. First, turn on the water. Next, put soap on your hands. Then, rub your hands together. After that, wash your hands with water. Finally, dry your hands with a towel. Type 2, how to use something. Example 3, how to use a pencil. Tools, a pencil, paper, steps. First, hold the pencil correctly. Next, put the pencil on the paper. Then, write carefully. After that, stop when you finish. Finally, put the pencil back in its place. Important reminder. We still use the same structure. Title, tools and ingredients, steps, sequence words. Only the type of instruction changes. Quick check. Is brushing your teeth food instructions or daily instructions? Correct. Daily instructions. Instructional writing helps people stay safe, do things correctly, and understand steps easily. Great job! Today, we learned daily instructions and how to use something. In the next lesson, we will practice writing instructions by ourselves. See you next time. Bye.